half a teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of cumin and few curry leaves. Add a pinch of hing. Add 1 small chopped onion. Add 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Add 1 chopped tomatoes and saute this for a while. Add turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, jaggery and salt to taste. Add a little water so the masala doesn't burn. Add tamarind juice and the boiled blackeye pea. Mix well, cover this and cook for 5 minutes. Add fresh coriander as required. Thanks for watching. To subscribe to our channel Elroy and don't forget to visit our store at elroy.co.uk. All the information is in the description below. See you in the next video.